Right, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today I've got a Magnavox CDB 460 single CD player. This was built in 1987, and I am going to go ahead and change the belt that uh, ejects the tray. Because it doesn't eject, obviously it won't play. So the tray, when it comes out and it comes back in, is what triggers the unit to play the disc. But since it's not even ejecting, we're gonna go ahead and swap out the belt that's on here. So I've already taken the liberty of taking the 4 screws out of each side of the case, so we can see where this is located as far as the belt goes. This one's quite simple, so it's really nice that it's simply just on the side. And when I turn it on, you can see here that it's on. When it tries to eject, when I push the button, it doesn't catch because the belt is already really loose. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take off the old belt with one of these. And these, basically, in order to do that and get access, you need to take this screw out that holds down the mechanism. So I'll go ahead and unplug this unit, take this off, and it uses a star screw here. It's really pretty simple. Go ahead and do that. And then this kind of comes up here so we can have more access to this belt. So I'm gonna have to put something to hold this in place, and I'm gonna pull it out and then and show you. All right, so I have this propped up now. All we have to do is literally take that off, and there's the old one. And so I have a new one here. It's about 10% smaller. So all I have to do is basically put it back in uh, around the big wheel and then the little servo there. And I'll do that right now. But I'm going to have to do it with 2 hands. So I'm going to pause this thing again. All right, so I was able to simply wrap the new belt around the big wheel and then use my pick to pull it and then put it into the motor wheel. And there it is right there. And so now we can possibly test this out. Go ahead and plug this back in. All right. There you go. Let's see here. Well, gotta help a little bit for now. There it is. All right, so now we got it working. Let's put a disc in. That's pretty much it. Now it plays. Push play. There it is. So that's pretty much it. Again, the access to the belt is right here on the left side. You got to take the little screw that's over here. I'll put that back. But I hope that helps someone fix this Magnavox CDB 460 single CD player. If you like that video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to subscribe to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.